Hello folks, and welcome back. We're doing Supersonic by Oasis. This is the Heritage H150 Custom Core, standard tuning. I'm using the Soundlad Liverpool Scran with these settings. Discount code for all their pedals if you're interested back there is the Morgan MVP 66. Let's dive in, shall we? So the intro part has a load of very slow pick scrapes. If you don't know what they are, you take the edge of the pick and you go along the strings like that, right? That's with the drums. Then we have this part which comes in. That plays round 4 times, okay? So it's pretty straightforward. It's kind of an F sharp minor shape with open E and B, right? So you're fretting it like this, 3, 4 and 1 finger-wise. And you're going to do... There, you take them all off. And you play the open A, and then you hit an A power chord. Another open A. And then a B7, but just those 3 notes. I mean, if you hit the open B, don't worry about it, because it's a B, same as the root, right? So it'll be fine. One more time. So, 4th time, you'll hear this, which is Noel's lead part. Repeats that around 4 times basically, right, with the verse riffs that Bonehead's playing. So let's do that quickly. We would have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Okay, so it's a bend, half step bend and release. You just leave that ring out. Pretty straightforward little minor chord. We have 6, 5, 7, right? The 4th time it just rings out, so you don't play there. So that would be. Okay. Behind that, Bonehead is playing this. Like that. Plays that around 8 times, in fact. And you could play this in full power chord mode. So you could be playing like that. But I find it easier to play it here. So you're just basically fretting a power chord, F sharp power chord, and then you're going to take your first finger off. That's it. Then A to B. And then on that last note, you hit the open A. Like that, okay? Pre-chorus is cool. It has a bit of a sort of shuffle thing going on. So we have this. Okay. Cool little 7 chord there. So basically we have this. Let me play it clean. Pretty straightforward. You're playing an E power chord, but with your 3rd finger you're going to play the 4th fret on the A string, right? That one hangs over into the next bar. Okay, so the rhythm would be like that, but with the chord. Then you go back to the F sharp. Back around. Then we go up here. And because your first finger's here already, you just slide it up 2 frets and then apply your 3rd and 4th fingers to play this C sharp 7. Now, over the top of that, Noel is playing some more riffs. He's revisiting this actually. But it comes in when Bonehead goes to the F sharp, okay? So this bit, I think he just plays for 2 bars, and then when Bonehead goes to this part, Noel's playing like that, and then when he goes up here, Noel plays this overdub. And we're into the chorus. This is cool, pretty straightforward as well. We have D, A, E, F sharp, okay? Like that. So D, D, open strings. Then we go to the E. And more open strings. Then the Noel part is quite cool. You probably want to do middle pickup for this. So grace note slide up to the 4th fret. Really simple. But, you know, it really makes the chorus. So you do that 4 times, and then he goes into like a sort of lead part. This is double tracked, actually. You hear 2 guitar parts because they don't converge completely. They sort of veer off a little bit. But the main part is this. 2, 3, 4, 1. And that rings out basically into the next verse, I think it is. So slowly, starts on the 2nd beat of the bar. 2, 3, 4, 1. It's pretty straightforward. It's just a full bend. Leave it held. And then you pick it. And then drop it down. And then down to the 14th fret. Little run there. Same again. This time you go high. And again. Fast a bit. So you got a hammer on. And then next string up. Hammer on and pull off. And then you go round again. You leave that ring out, okay? Then there's a big E chord. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Back into the verse, okay? So that's just an E major chord. Then you've got this before you change. Noel comes in. Or Boneface hits, you know, that again, okay? Then you do the verse and the chorus again, and then we're just into the outro part, which is more of this stuff. So we have 3, 4, 1. That is the same as before, right? Then it veers off slightly. We've got this. Okay, so you've got some variants. I'm going to rush through these because you might not care, but that part again. Okay, and then... that bit's the same as before. And you do another one that's the same. So he just extends the run there, right? Then he varies it up a bit with these sort of double stops and these... you know, so you're playing 14th fret there on the 3rd and 4th string, D and G. Then you're hammering on to the 16th fret on the D. So you get that cool thing happening, right? And the rhythm, roughly, is this. 2, 3, 4... like that. And then the next one goes... little bend at the end. Okay, next one's the same as the first time. Next one then goes... that's cool. Okay, starting to fade out now, a little subtle variation. That's cool. Then we've got some bends. Which is like tagging on the bit from before. And then the last couple of bars basically is... which is another variation on a theme. So there you have it. Hope you enjoyed that one. See you again soon.